हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ जितेश एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट गूगल कोलैब। क्या आप स्टूडेंट हैं और आप मशीन लर्निंग एंड ऑल प्रोजेक्ट्स करते हैं बट आपके पास जीपीयू एंड अदर हार्डवेयर रिसोर्सेज नहीं है एंड उसकी वजह से आप कर नहीं पा रहे हैं अपनी प्रैक्टिस को। तो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट गूगल कोलैब विच इज़ अवेलेबल इन VS Code right now. So what you can do with Google Colab is, as you know that we can use Google Colab T4 GPU. So now it will be available in your local machines. I will explain it to you easily. Now we need not to go to Google Colab website and do the implementation over there. अब अपने लोकल मशीन में आपके पास जो आप VS Code यूज़ करते हैं उसमें बस एक्सटेंशन में जाके अपने Google Colab के एक्सटेंशन को इंस्टॉल करो एंड देन यूज़ द Google Colab extension in your VS Code. From there you will be able to use T4 GPU directly from the servers of Google, and you will be able to implement the machine learning projects and everything in your Python notebooks. So let's see how it goes. So you can see everything is mentioned from Google in this, all the step-by-step guide and everything. Also this video is available, but as you know, like sometimes you require somebody to come and tell you step by step how you can do it. So I have mentioned the steps over here in this this GitHub repository. You can come here. I will give the link in the description or in the comment section. So let's see how we will do it practically in the VS Code. So let's go here. Now we are in VS Code. What do we need to do from here? From the left hand panel you can see that there is an extension tab over here. You have to click over here and in the search bar type Colab. The first one is from Google. You can see over here, just click on install, it will be installed, and then go to the file section. I have created this file for the test purpose, but for you it might be empty over here, and this readme file will be available to you. Now let's create a new file which is a notebook file, and let's from here first यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है select kernel. We have to select the kernel. From here there will be like 4 to 5 options and we have to choose Colab. Then after that it will ask, like for me it is directly giving the server over here, but for you it will ask there will be a pop-up over here and it will ask you to sign in. You just need to sign in to your Google account and you are good to go from there. Then you have to give a name for your server, local name for your server. I have given test1, that is why it is available over here. So for you, like what I have done, I will just do one more time. New Colab server, I have clicked over there, and then you have to choose GPU because we are talking about GPU today. So you have to click on GPU T4, and then again as I told you कि मैंने वहाँ पे test1 नाम दिया and यहाँ पे I can give test2. Click enter and it will start the process. You have to wait for some time and then it will be available to you. So you have to select Python 3 and you're good to go. Now we'll do some Python over here. So let's say import pandas as pd, import numpy as np. Now I have run this. Let's see. Now it is running and then we'll do print hello world. You can see this was successful, but yeah, you might be having a doubt, how do we know that Colab is being used here or T4 GPU is working over here? For that let's use NVIDIA SMI and run it. You can see over here we are using Tesla T4 and you can see all the things. This shows that we are using the T4 GPU over here. So you can now use GPU in your local machine without any hesitation for free. So start using Google Colab extension right away. That's all from this video, and we will be meeting in the next video with a topic called UV, which is a Python package manager. So let's tune in for that video, subscribe, and we will meet in the next video. Thanks.